Hello, this is Mr. Bridge again, comes from Fujian Xinhong Make and Electro Limited. In the past chapters, we have already introduced a lot of functions of the machine, including the controller, and you also see the details inside the box, and also for the two types of working weight and a foot pedal, and so on. And for this laser, right? So today I will introduce you another functions of this machine. It is the structure interchangeable platens. You know, most of the customers they request for a multiple functions in one machine. Like I need the Shoe Platen, I need the Sleeve Platen, I need a Label Platen, and also for the Trousers and so on. So in this machine, we already design these structures inside the machine. So right now I will show you another functions of our platens. The first one I want to introduce to you is this. The size is 18 by 38 centimeter. It is designed for the sleeve. So you can have the designs on your sleeve and use this sleeve pattern to make the designs much better, okay? Because you know the default size of the platens is 40 by 50. It is now suitable for all the garments like the sleeve or the trousers or the labels. So all of these kind of interchangeable platens is needed, okay? Another one I want to introduce is our, it is much heavier. This wait a minute, because the weight of this is a little bit, so I put it here. The name of this platen, we call it Tag Alone Platen. For this plate, it is used to make a t-shirt like the center, the design. And this part, you can have the label like this, the labels on the neck. So it is 2-in-1 platens. And right now I will show you how to put it on my machine, okay? Wait a minute please. First, focus on this part. You will find here, have a knob, like knob. First we rotate it, and we can loose it and put it above, like this. Sorry. Because I cannot see the center, so I need to try it again. And you will find here, they have a thread below the platens. With this, we can put it here and use the black knob to fix it. Okay. So right now I will change a platen. Okay. Like this. This is also a thread already on the machine. Like this. Find the right position of the center one and put the thread here. Like this. This is not finished, so we have to use the black knobs to rotate it to make it tight, so it will not shake easily during the period. Okay. This is the first one I want to show you, and repeat again. Rotate it to loose it and put it outside and put it on the table and change another one. Like the Tag Alone Platens, because it's too much heavy, so I have to like this. Find the right position. Insert it. After inserting, rotate the knob to fix it so it will not shake very easily. Okay, so then we can start the heat transfer. Okay, besides of these two type the platens, we also have different kind of tests like this. You can see the details, the label, the sleeve, the trousers, the shoes, tag alone, cap alone, and so on. So if you are interested with our list hippers, don't forget to add these platens to your orders. Okay, see you next time.